In a country where the past blends harmoniously with the present, Japan celebrates one of the most significant events on its cultural calendar, the Emperor's birthday. This date is not just a historical milestone, but also a moment of reflection and celebration of Japan's national identity. In the heart of Japan, a nation known for its rich history and millennial-old culture, Emperor Naruhito plays a crucial role in preserving traditions while transitioning into modernity. In this video, we will explore the life and significance of Emperor Naruhito, celebrating his birthday and understanding how he connects the past and future of Japan. Born on February 23, 1960, Naruhito is the 126th Emperor of Japan, succeeding his father, Emperor Akihito, in 2019. From a young age, Naruhito was prepared to ascend to the throne, receiving an education that blends Japan's cultural heritage with modern studies. He is known for his interest in environmental and social issues, as well as being an advocate for international peace. Emperor Naruhito's birthday is an important celebration in Japan, reflecting the deep connection between the people and the monarchy. During the day, the emperor participates in traditional ceremonies at the Imperial Palace in Tokyo, and many citizens visit the palace to pay their respects. This occasion is also a moment for reflection on the role of the monarchy in contemporary society. One of the most fascinating aspects of Emperor Naruhito is his ability to honor traditions while adapting to the challenges of the 21st century. He has been a symbol of stability in an ever-changing world, promoting Japanese culture and encouraging dialogue between generations. His openness to modernity is exemplified by his support for environmental and social causes, showing that the monarchy can evolve without losing its roots. As emperor, Naruhito has worked to strengthen Japan's international ties, promoting global cooperation on issues such as climate change and sustainable development. He has also been an advocate for education and the preservation of Japanese culture, inspiring young people to value their historical heritage. The celebrations for Emperor Naruhito's birthday are a unique spectacle, blending ancient ceremonies with modern elements. From traditional parades to cultural exhibitions, the event is a tribute to Japan's heritage and an invitation to the world to share in this cultural richness. Every detail, from the attire to the rituals, reflects the depth of Japanese history. As Japan looks to the future, Emperor Naruhito continues to be a central figure in maintaining the national identity. His gentle and visionary leadership promises to guide the country toward a future where tradition and innovation walk hand in hand. Each step he takes is a reminder that respect for the past is essential for building a prosperous future. Emperor Naruhito is more than a historical figure. He is a bridge between eras, connecting traditional Japan to the modern world. His birthday is a celebration not only of his life, but also of the Japanese spirit and the hope for a harmonious future. Join us on this journey through Japanese culture and history as we honor Emperor Naruhito. Subscribe to the channel for more content about Japanese culture and unique celebrations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Check out our playlist, Celebrations and Traditions of Japan, for more amazing videos about Japan.